And as a matter of fact, it's so funny that Tirzepatide recently on another trade name was it's being FDA approved for snoring and having obstructive pulmonary problem during the sleep. So it's approved for that as well. And that actually, as you know, when you do store, everything sort of goes up in your system, and sugar jacks up, and it's really not that good for you. So they actually recently been approved for snoring problem, which the dosage is a little bit different, but in this series we're just talking about weight loss.